In this video, we're going to work on understanding measurement of angles. So if we have a problem like this that says, what is the measurement of this angle? And you will need to be able to automatically know what this angle is. And when we're done, you will be able to do that. So the first thing you need to understand is these angles. Understand angles 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, and 360 degrees. So if you have a protractor, you could use it and put it against some of these just to understand it. But it's harder for me to actually show you that because on the screen I can't put a protractor up. But what you need to understand is an angle that looks like this is 90 degrees. 90-degree angle, also known as a right angle. And something to keep in mind about these angles, right angles always have a little square in the corner. So a right angle or 90-degree angle looks like the corner of a box. Okay? Now, a 360-degree angle means it goes around all the way around, right? So it goes from here to here. So that's a 360-degree angle. A 270-degree angle is the outside angle of the 90-degree angle. So it's this part. And actually, if you add 270 plus 90, you will get 360. So it goes all the way around. So again, the 270-degree angle is just the outside angle of the 90-degree angle. Okay, and then this is the 180-degree angle, which is also known as a straight angle. It's basically a straight line, and it going from here to here is 180 degrees. And that's the end of that lesson. And don't worry if you don't get it right away. You could just rewatch the video as well. You could take a look in the description. There's links to other videos of mine that are similar to this. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's this exact lesson and a link to this lesson, and you could watch the lesson as you review it in the ebook. So please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.